Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to CoelhosGarden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram.
Hello. Hope you all have been fine. Today we're going to be making a basic homemade ginger garlic paste, which is one of the most essential in Indian cooking. Let's get started. For this simple ginger garlic paste, you would only need 4 ingredients. So you're going to require 250 grams of peeled garlic, 150 grams of ginger, and some oil, some salt. First, I'm going to cut the garlic clove into 4. So I've got some peeled garlic, which is about 250 grams, which I've peeled and kept ready. So I'm going to cut them, slit them into half, and then again into half. I prefer making this fresh at home and storing than a store-bought one because it usually gives a really good fresh flavor to your cooking. Ginger garlic paste, apart from adding flavor, also aids in digestion, can be used to tenderize meat. It's so handy. Now let's peel the ginger skin. I'm going to use a back of a spoon like this. It's much easier using a spoon because you have less wastage. Again, we're not going to throw away the ginger skin, so I'm going to store all this. And whenever you're going to make some tea, or if you want to make any immunity drink, this is going to be handy. So don't throw away the skin, store it all. Now that we've peeled the ginger, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. We have a garlic and ginger cut and ready. Now the proportion is always about 100 grams lesser. So 250 grams of garlic, it's going to be 150 grams of ginger because ginger has a strong flavor and you don't want it overpowering. You just want a balance between the both. So it's always like a 60-40 combination that you're going to be using. Now let's make this into a paste. In a grinder, I'm going to be doing this in small batches since my grinder is small. But if you have a big jar, you can do it all in once. Add some garlic, ginger. Then we add some salt and oil. The salt and oil acts as preservatives, which is going to let you keep your ginger garlic paste for a long time. We're not going to be using any water at all because that's going to decrease the shelf life. And if you're going to keep it in the freezer, it's going to become like an ice cube and it's going to spoil the paste. I generally don't prefer doing that, so I'm not going to use any water in this paste. Now that I've made the ginger garlic paste, I'm going to store this in a dry glass jar. You need to store this in the refrigerator and you can be stored for over a month in the fridge. If you're going to keep this in the freezer section, you can store it for almost over 6 months. Our ginger garlic paste is ready. Do try making this fresh ginger garlic paste at home. I'm sure you'll notice the difference in your cooking with the aroma and flavor with this fresh paste that you have made. If you like today's recipe, do let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes like this. Bye for now.
Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.